Hello friends, my name is Sumit and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Pharmacist Opinion. In this video I am going to review newer anti-diabetic drug class SGLT2 inhibitors. If you want to know about this, please keep watching this video. SGLT2 inhibitors are a newer oral hypoglycemic agent which used in type 2 diabetes mellitus condition. They are very potent and powerful anti-diabetic drugs, and these drugs are generally recommended to those patients who are not responding to traditional anti-diabetic drugs like metformin. It is also considered in those patients who are not willing to have insulin injections. The SGLT2 inhibitors stand for sodium glucose cotransporters inhibitors. These drugs reduce your blood glucose level by interfering in sodium glucose pump in your kidneys. They are also known as gliflozins because these class of drugs are ending with gliflozin like dapagliflozin, empagliflozin and canagliflozin. Dapagliflozin are available in market with brand of Forxiga. Empagliflozin comes in name of Jardiance and canagliflozin available in market with name of Invokana. Okay, let's move on mechanism and see how these drugs exactly works. SGLT2 inhibitor have a novel and unique mechanism of action. Mostly typical anti-diabetic drugs directly act on pancreas, but this atypical SGLT2 inhibitor are totally independent on pancreas. They directly work on kidney and remove excess glucose from your blood by your kidney. Now we see what can be the side effect of SGLT2 inhibitor. As we know the mechanism of SGLT2 inhibitor, it acts as a diuretic which produce glucosuria effect. The first common side effect of SGLT2 inhibitor are bacterial and fungal infection. The second common side effect of this drug are dehydration and hypotension. Due to loss of glucose content, these drugs may also cause weight reduction. Hypoglycemia generally happen if you take this drug in combination with insulin or other anti-diabetic drugs. Of this drug may cause excessive thirst and frequent urination. Apart from improving your glycemic control, many studies suggest SGLT2 inhibitor have many other health benefits. The first benefit of SGLT2 inhibitor in heart failure, hypertension and kidney disease. A research study published in year 2015, it has shown the reduction in weight and HbA1c. The positive effect of SGLT2 inhibitor have seen in liver disease, especially in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The SGLT2 inhibitors are contraindicated in certain conditions. The first is pregnancy and breastfeeding. You should strictly avoid these drugs in pregnancy and breastfeeding because these are category C medication. Should also avoid this drug in severe kidney disease condition because these drugs are directly act on kidney, so you need to avoid in certain GFR values. If you have had ketoacidosis in past, you should not take these class of drugs because SGLT2 inhibitors themselves cause ketoacidosis. If we talk about timing and dosing of SGLT2 inhibitors, since these drugs have osmotic diuretic action, so it is better to take one tablet in the morning, and it does not matter with or without.
Created using Powtoon.